In the following video, I'll show you how my AI tic-tac-toe application is running correctly. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open my terminal and run the app. Okay, I'm gonna play as X first. As you can see, every time I make a move, the computer chooses the best move from the actions available. Okay, so all of the functions are working correctly. The player function is picking which player turn it is. The actions function searches in the board and for empty spaces, and it returns a list with the available tiles for making a move. The result function is returning a new board every time a player decides to make a move in any of the tiles. The winner function detects if there exists a winner in a given board. The terminal function receives a board and returns true or false, depending if there aren't any empty spaces in the board, then it returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. The utility function, based on the player function, on the winner function, returns 1, 0, or -1, depending on which player won the game. This utility function is used by the min-max function, which implements the algorithm for the adversarial search. As you can see, the min-max function is working correctly. It's a recursive function which uses the max value and the min value function, and that way the artificial intelligence tic-tac-toe can work. Thank you very much.